How to make a freestanding balloon garland. 11 inch, 18 inch and 5 inch balloons. Just random sizes. Just make them into clusters. Clusters of 4. I use 260s to join the cluster together. So I'm knackered my fingers on. And join the next cluster. That 260 rounds. And you just put the next cluster on until you've got as many as you need. Then for the 5 inch, I'll make them into clusters of 3. I use half a 260 or 160. And then those will be wrapped into the garland. And also on the galls, I'm doing a mix of 5 inch and 1 7 inch. Kind of that pear shape, just push them and it makes them more round. Hold them further down. And a single 9 inch. Down that 9 inch, 7 inch. Again, 260 for 10 more. And then we're going to put the garland onto a pole just to make it freestanding. So we'll have to do that in there. I'll take just a few of these. Put it right on the pole. Well, actually, no, I'm going to put a big 3/4 footer at the bottom as well. I'm also going to add in a 24-inch at the base just to fill it out at the bottom. Yeah, I'm going to use this telescopic balloon base that you just fill with water, and it's got a telescopic pole that locks into the base. You can get some on Amazon, but they don't lock into the base. I've also put a couple of water weights at the base of the garland as well, just to give it extra weight. But if it is going to be somewhere where there's high traffic, it may be better putting a water weight on top as well. One of those little bags. You get them off of Amazon, so that just locks in. So it doesn't come out. I know the ones on Amazon, they do come out. So you can use it as a table centrepiece, 4-foot column, and it goes right up to there, so it's pretty big. 2 meters it goes up to. I don't need it that high, but there. But I'm just gonna twist the balloons into the hole. What am I hitting?
Just the door.
No, I'll just glass them up there. You can see, yeah. Just wrap, twist them around the pole to lock them in and let them come off there. You only need a couple of them. That's it. 24-inch one.